This has been a head scratcher. It's taken me a couple of weeks. You need to use 4 fingers on your right hand to get the housey sort of tone. You'll see now as I play these chords. That's the intro now, this is the main riff. There's a bit of a link piece. It goes into the main sort of driving chord now. Now just keep rewinding it, practicing those chords. This is what it should sound like with a backing track.